Welcome to our channel One Step where we post tutorial videos. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Apple ID birthday on iPhone. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. Now in order to change your Apple ID's birthday, it basically means you're going to change your date of birth on iPhone. So don't get confused because I'm going to change the date of birth on my iPhone. And if you change that, basically you just change your birth date, okay? So first thing, you need to open the setting of your iPhone. And once you open the setting of your iPhone, at the top it's going to show you the name of your Apple ID. So the name of my Apple ID is Jake Knowledge. So in your case, it's going to show you whatever Apple ID name you have. So just click on the name, and once you click on the name, it's going to bring you over here inside your Apple ID setting page. And over here, the first option where it says name, phone numbers, email, you want to click on it. And once you click on that, it's going to bring you over here. Now once you're over here, you can see this option called date of birth. Now what you want to do is click on date of birth, and from over here you can change your date of birth. So let's say I want to change it to January 1. What I can do is go to January instead of February, click on the date I want, and from 2000 I will change it to something else. So I will change it to 1998. So this is going to be my date of birth, my changed date of birth. So I can click on done at the top right, and basically as you guys can see, my date of birth has changed. So that's how you guys can change your date of birth. And if your date of birth is changed, then that means that your birthday has also changed. So that's how you guys can change your birthday as well. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.